Do you want to make your photos look better with just one tap? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a photo remaster feature that can automatically improve photos by enhancing details, colors, brightness, and even faces. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Then open the photo you want to improve. Now, swipe up on the photo to view its details. Then tap the remaster icon. Your phone will analyze the picture and automatically improve it. Once the process is complete, you will see before and after comparison. Drag the white handle to reveal more of the original photo or more of the remaster version. Sometimes Samsung will highlight subject in the picture, such as people or animals. You can tap a highlight to get a closer look at the before and after comparison for the highlighted area. At the bottom, you will find several options. Tap Share to share the remastered picture. Tap Save to replace the original picture with the improved version. Or tap More and select Save Copy if you want to keep the original photo untouched and save the remastered version as a new image. For this example, let's select Save Copy. Now you have both the original and the remastered photo in your gallery. And that's how you improve photos with Photo Remaster on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.